If you want to learn how to get on a quoting site and compare different Medicare Advantage or MedSup plans for this open enrollment season, stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Rebecca Gordon with the Medicare Family. Now I know none of you have seen me, and that's because my sister takes all the spotlight. You may have seen my mom and my dad. I'm the youngest. Some say the most loved, I don't know. And this, of course, is my nephew, Elliot. So today's my day, and I'm super excited to share some really great insight for you for this enrollment season. So I want to thank all of you for subscribing to our channel. It's brand new, and we already have 177 subscribers. So when you do subscribe, make sure that you come up here to this little bell and you click it. That'll turn your notifications on, so every week when we upload a video, you're gonna get it. So right now what I wanna talk about is what's going on with Medicare.gov. So a lot of us like to go onto this site at our leisure, check out new plans, new options, do some comparisons, kind of see what's out there, which is great, except for this year. So this year, the government has made a ton of changes. And they did it at the worst possible time, right before open enrollment. So even our most seasoned, well-trained, certified agents are getting caught up in a web of confusion. And the reason why I'm telling you this is now is the best time to be reaching out to us. Working with us is completely free, but allow us to navigate this system. We're hoping that by January they get a lot of these kinks worked out, but they are not worked out right now. And we're afraid that a consumer going on and trying to compare plans, looking at prescription costs, very easily you could pick something that's not in your best interest, and then you're going to be stuck for the season. So give us a shout. There's absolutely no cost for all seasoned licensed agents here, and we'll be able to navigate this for you. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you'll allow our family, the Medicare family, help your family.